What's up, guys? Today we're unboxing this bakeneko 65 from CannonKeys. Let's take a look over here at the product page. So this is available as A stock or B stock. The B stock is 140 while the A stock is 145. There are 5 different color options. You've got a lavender, a whitish, a black, a dark gray, and a navy. This board is marketed as an affordable in-stock aluminum keyboard, but it is currently out of stock. It just dropped about 10 days ago. I forgot about the drop, so I was a few days late, so I did get a B stock navy. This is probably pretty well known from the bakeneko 60. It's a great board for the price. It's O-ring gasket mounted style, like a Gummy O-ring, not O-rings on the screws. Most of the options are painted, but there are 2 powder coated options. The whitish and the dark gray are powder coated. Comes with a case, carrying case, O-ring gasket, your plate, your hot swap PCB, daughterboard, microfiber cloth, clip-in stabilizers, which you do want to use clip-in stabilizers with the O-ring, as screw-in stabilizers will interfere with it. And then it has bump-ons. They do say they plan on having this in stock as a regular thing, so I imagine in the future it will always be available. Let's get into this box right now. I think that it's probably not available right now just because it's new and everybody wants to get the new thing in this hobby, as we all know. So let's get into this box here and see what we have. Hopefully this B stock's not too bad. I've got a couple B stock things in the past and they've been pretty good, but I guess we'll find out now. So let's see what we've got here. This out of the way. So it's one of the standard CannonKeys carrying cases, which I recently got a bunch of them while they were on sale. Okay, so let's see what we got here in the top. What in the world? Well, helps if you can open it. What's going on here? Zipper just doesn't want to unzip. There we go. Okay, I think the paper was blocking it behind there. There we go. Okay. So here we have our plate. We have our hot swap PCB. We've got a sticker and stabilizers. Daughterboard, bump-ons, little Allen key and screws, O-ring. Why is the camera so dark? Maybe I should have used a lighter desk mat. Apologize for that. Bad planning on my part. Let's see if I can do something about that real quick. Filters. Just make it darker. Brighten this up some. There we go. Apologize about that. So, O-ring, I will definitely not use dark desk mats in the future for videos. Okay, so you got your JST connector cable. You've got your daughterboard here. You've got Allen key and bump-ons. Stabilizers, which for some reason the 6 1/4 stabilizer wire is a different color than the 2U stabilizer wires. They are clip-in stabilizers, is what are recommended in this board. And let's see what the case itself looks like. This is what I'm a little nervous about, being as it's B stock. Okay, I did get the zinc weight as well, which is apparently loose in there currently. Hopefully that'll tighten up. I've got a screwdriver right here. Let's see. Still is a little loose. Okay. It's a little disappointing. Looks pretty scuffed up inside here. There's a little bit of aluminum that wiped right off. That was kind of blocking the USB-C hole. As far as the outside of it, doesn't look terrible. Let's see if I can zoom in here and kind of see, like, I don't know if it's casting marks or what, but there's like some streaking going on. Maybe that's from the paint. I don't know. It's probably what got it classified as B stock. I have to go back and look at the acceptable standards again, but I believe like these scuffs and stuff on the inside are considered okay. The weight is a little loose in there, even with the screws being tightened down. So that's a little unpleasant, I guess. So yeah, so B stock, can't have super high hopes. Don't like that rattles in there. I'll have to figure out something to do. I'll probably unscrew these, throw a little poron switch pad underneath of it, and see if that'll hold it in place. We'll figure that out when the build happens. But guys, thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hope to see you again. Hit like and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you in future videos, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.